Welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to talk about how to download WhatsApp onto your computer or desktop and then log in to your WhatsApp account that you primarily own on your iPhone or Android-based phone, and then you want it logged on your computer. So first step, you're going to go to this whatsapp.com/download, okay? And right over here, you'll go to this download button and click on it once. Now it starts downloading WhatsApp installer, and then you click on it once again to start the installation. Then once the installation process is finished, you go to your WhatsApp, you open it from your desktop, and then you press log in. Okay, and here you will get the simplest instructions on how to log into your WhatsApp. First of all, you open your WhatsApp on your phone. Then if it's an Android-based phone, you tap menu. If it's an iPhone, you tap settings, okay? Then you go to link devices, and then you link the device by scanning this QR code that appears right here. Then once this is done, you're going to be able to log in into your WhatsApp automatically from this computer, and this computer will save all the chats and everything from your WhatsApp account. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.